Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app and click on it. Then select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. After that, you can add your own by clicking on this plus icon. Now set up an hour and when you're ready, click on OK. Now tap on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on OK. Now you can disable or enable vibrations by clicking on this icon next to Vibrate and add your alarm to Google Assistant routine by clicking on this little icon next to it. Following that, pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. Then click on this bell icon here, choose Dismiss and tap on YouTube Music or choose Sounds and tap on Add New to pick music from your smartphone. If you can't find any of your songs over here, click on the top left corner on those three lines, select one of those sources and click on the song then. I don't have any those, so I have to go back twice. Tap on one of those, in my case maybe Platinum, and go back. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can enable it the same way. If you want to delete it though, click on this icon above the switcher, select Delete at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner next to Alarm. Then tap on Settings from the list and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!